Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. Yesterday, light to moderate snowfall activity have been reported over many parts of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and light rainfall was also reported over some parts of Punjab, some parts of Haryana, some parts of Delhi and West Uttar Pradesh, and at one or two places over the Rajasthan, over the northwest India. And over the northeast India, light snowfall activity have been reported over many parts of Arunachal Pradesh and over some parts of East Assam. And today morning, dense fog have been reported over the Odisha, where the Paradeep reported minimum 50-meter visibility, and moderate fog was reported over some parts of Jammu division, Punjab, some parts of Delhi, Sikkim and Assam. And today, a western disturbance which mainly lies over the Pakistan area in the middle tropospheric levels and the lower tropospheric levels, a circulation lies over the Rajasthan, and over the East India, a cyclonic circulation lies over the eastern parts of the Bangladesh. Because of these weather systems, as we can see in these satellite pictures, there the clouds which are coming from the Afghanistan and Pakistan area, and these clouds are moving towards the East India across the northern parts of the country. Because of these weather systems, we can see that today mainly the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand very likely to receive light to moderate snowfall activity over the many parts, and tomorrow the snowfall activity will decrease. However, some parts of the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand will continue to receive snowfall activity, and tomorrow also from 6 February onwards there will not be any significant weather activity over the western Himalayan region, and even from the 7th of February weather will be mainly dry over the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand for subsequent 3 to 4 days. And as far as these plains of northwest India is concerned, so mainly the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, northern parts of Rajasthan, northern parts of Madhya Pradesh very likely to receive light rainfall activity over the some parts on today, and light rainfall activity will continue over all those regions at one or two places on tomorrow onwards. From 6 February onwards, there will not be any rainfall activity over the entire plains of northwest India. So the mainly dry weather will prevail over the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and adjoining areas from 6 February onwards. Over the East India, mainly the Bihar and Jharkhand very likely to receive, and even the some parts of the West Bengal also very likely to receive light rainfall activity during next 2 to 3 days, and Odisha very likely to receive light rainfall activity from 6 February onwards for the subsequent 3 to 4 days. However, Bihar and Jharkhand very likely to be dry from 6 February onwards. As far as the northeast India is concerned, light to moderate snowfall activity will continue over the Arunachal Pradesh during next 2 to 3 days, and from 8 February onwards, snowfall activity will gradually decrease over the Arunachal Pradesh, and light rainfall activity will also continue over some parts of the Sikkim, some parts of Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram and Tripura for the next 3 to 4 days. From 8 February onwards, mainly the Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura very likely to be dry. However, light snowfall and rainfall activity will continue over the Sikkim area. If we look for the heavy snowfall warning, then on today, Jammu Kashmir, mainly the higher reaches of the Himachal Pradesh and higher reaches of the Uttarakhand very likely to receive heavy snowfall activity at one or two places. So yellow color warning have been issued for the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and from 5th February onwards there will not be any heavy rainfall or snowfall activity over the any parts of the country. And if we look for the hailstorm activity, then on today Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, mainly the lower parts of the Himachal Pradesh and lower parts of the Uttarakhand likely to receive hailstorm activity at one or two places, and tomorrow Sikkim area and adjoining places very likely to experience hailstorm activity at one or two places. From 6 February onwards, there will not be any hailstorm activity over the any parts of the country. And if we look for the minimum temperatures, mainly the northern parts of Punjab, some parts of the Haryana and many parts of the West Uttar Pradesh, the minimum temperatures are in the range of 6 to 8 degrees centigrade. However, the minimum temperatures are in the range of 10 to 12 degrees centigrade over some parts of the East Uttar Pradesh, northern parts of Madhya Pradesh and remaining parts of the Rajasthan. These minimum temperatures very likely to fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade in the upcoming 2 to 3 days, and thereafter there will not be any significant change. And over the as far as the East India is concerned, the minimum temperatures which are prevailing in the range of 12 to 15 degrees centigrade, these temperatures very likely to rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade in the upcoming 3 days. And over the rest part of the country and for the rest days, there will not be any change in the minimum temperatures. If you look for the maximum temperatures, then mainly over the northern parts of the Punjab, maximum temperatures are in the range of 14 to 16 degrees centigrade. However, over the South Punjab, Haryana, and northwest Uttar Pradesh, northwest Rajasthan, maximum temperatures are in the range of 20 to 22 degrees centigrade. Over the east Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, South Rajasthan, northern parts of Madhya Pradesh, these temperatures are in the range of 24 to 26 degrees centigrade. These temperatures will continue to be in the same range during next 5 days. It means there will not be any significant change in the maximum temperatures over the any parts of the country in the upcoming 5 days. And if we look for the dense fog warning, then mainly the Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi very likely to experience dense fog conditions, mainly in the night times and the early morning hours for a few hours on today and tomorrow. And over the west Uttar Pradesh, northern parts of the Rajasthan also likely to experience dense fog conditions at one or two places today night and tomorrow morning. Over the East India, mainly the Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha likely to experience dense fog conditions today night and tomorrow morning for a very few hours. And as far as the northeast India is concerned, mainly the Assam and Meghalaya likely to experience dense fog conditions tomorrow morning for a few hours. From 6th February onwards, there is no dense fog warning for any parts of the country. It means the visibility will be more than 500 meters across the country from 6th February onwards. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel and our Twitter page. Thank you.